Even if it makes you uncomfortable, you got to do it. People buy things because someone pointed it to them, their friends are doing it, seems cool, but largely investors want you, right? And your first community members are going to want you. You're the salesperson. You're the first person they're going to interact with probably when they have a problem, because let's face it, your founders, you're probably answering the customer service box. So much is about who you are. My advice to founders is that you think about what you want to keep personal and what you want to keep public right now. Make a short list. What are the stories that you're willing to tell about yourself to get people to understand who you are and also understand your brand? That way you always have things in your back pocket, 4 or 5 stories that if someone asks you why you started it, what your background is, what you're hoping for the future, all of those kind of answers you should have ready to go because you are the brand leader. I would decide on 1 or 2 platforms that you feel good about. I don't feel great about lots of platforms, but usually there's 1 or 2 that someone really likes. Is it LinkedIn? Is it X? Is it Instagram? Is it Threads? Whatever it's going to be, pick a platform and really get good at it. Start using it, build community there, keep everybody updated on what you're doing. This will give also the press and investors an idea of who you are, because that's the first thing they're going to look at. So you want to start build a profile for yourself on some platform that really lets people understand who you are, what you're doing, and why it matters to you.